Alright, check this out. This Coleto Creek Reservoir water. Now I'm going to fill this jug up and you take a look at it. It looks like it's frozen, but that's just the clarity of the water. So I think tonight maybe we'll cook the crawfish in lake water. It's a little bit off-putting. Do it again. Let's see. There it is. And it looks like it's frozen, but it's not. It's just the color of the water. The color and clarity of the water. Look at the bottom. It's starting to clear up at the bottom. Is that odd or what? Is this clearing up here? We're at minute and 36 seconds. Anybody have a idea what that's all about? It's still a little clarity in it. But as you watch it, it tends to clear up a little bit. Amazing. Yeah, not drinking that. That water might be better than this water. I did not even notice if it said potable. Okay. Let's do it again. Maybe it's carbonated water. Yep, that's it. Still the same stuff. That's weird. That guy looked like a trooper. Maybe that's how he wants to appear. Anyway, look at it. It's starting to clear up. Just videoing this water. It's like Sprite or something.
But the bottom is clear.
Yeah, watch it. It starts to clear up.
Effervescent.
Yeah. Maybe their water's carbonated.
Maybe.
Could be.
That's really weird.
But I'm thinking maybe we should cook the crawfish in lake water.
It's weird.
That's 3 minutes and 53 seconds.
So maybe it's not settlement. It's just
Maybe their water's just really thick.
maybe it's a water supply. Some city put water supply.
Well, look, it's clear now. You don't have to strain it through your teeth when you drink it.
Maybe Louisiana will showering in it. Feel slimy out there.
Oh, yeah.
Just 'cause they put
That was
water.
odd. All right, there it is. It'll clear up if you wait.